Guys, I am so excited. Sexy Smooth Wax has sent me another wax to try. They are not playing with these waxes, y'all. They are coming out with these waxes left and right, and they are all amazing in their own way. This one specifically is their newest one called Golden Allure, and I was so ready to test it out to see if it worked as good as it looked. And baby, it did not disappoint. Drying time, amazing. I am a speed waxer. I do not like to wait a long time for the wax to dry, and as soon as I laid it, it was ready. Amazing pull. It gripped every hair. I just had to take a minute to admire that strip. I was like, girl, you did not just pull all of that hair. And I went in with a cleanup strip, just for any stubborn hairs, any hairs growing in the opposite direction. Again, lays beautifully. And y'all, I am left-handed as it gets. I don't know why I got bold and tried to pull that strip with my right hand, but it did not work. So I went back in with my left hand and boom, barely any hairs. This wax is on sale right now. Y'all, please go on their website and do not miss this amazing deal.